In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns in Monday.com. Linking columns is really about connecting information across different boards so your data stays in sync and your team can see the full picture without constantly switching tabs. We're going to walk through how to use the Connect Boards column to link multiple boards together, and I'll explain what each click actually does so you feel confident setting it up in your own workspace. Start by opening the board where you want to create the connection. Look to the top right corner of your board and click the plus icon. This is where you add new columns. When the list of column types appears, choose Connect Boards. This tells Monday.com that you want this new column to pull in items from another board, instead of just storing simple information like text or numbers. Next, you'll see an option to select boards. Click that, and a window will open showing the boards you have access to in your account. Here, you'll choose which board or boards you want to connect to this one. Take a moment to think about where your source of truth lives. For example, you might link your main projects board to a resources board or a high-level roadmap board to more detailed sprint boards. Check the box next to each board you want to link. You'll also see an option that says, Create a two-way connection. This is optional, but very useful. If you turn this on, the relationship works both ways. The board you're on can see the linked items, and the other board can also see and reference this connection. If you leave it unchecked, the link will only really be visible and manageable from the board where you're creating the column. Think about whether your teammates on the other board need to see and use these links. If they do, go ahead and enable the two-way connection. Once you've finished choosing your boards and your connection type, click Connect Boards to create the new column. You'll now see the Connect Boards column appear on your board like any other column. To actually link specific items, click into any cell in that new column. A panel or drop-down will open, showing the items from the board you connected. Simply check the items you want to link to that row. You can usually select one or multiple items, depending on how you want your data structured. After you're done, close the panel, and you'll see those linked items displayed in the cell. From now on, that row is connected to items on the other board, helping you keep your information aligned and much easier to manage.